text messages ang natanggap ng StarTalk TX kahapon na nagbibigay ng ilang impormasyon ukol sa umano'y private wedding ni Angelo De Leon sa kanyang non-showbiz boyfriend na kinilala ng aming source bilang si Lorenzo Wawi Rivera. Ayon sa aming source, isa itong intimate Christian wedding na ginanap kahapon, Biyernes, alas 7 ng gabi sa isang function room ng Hotel Sofitel. Mahigit na 30 guests lamang daw ang dumalo at kabilang dito ang aktres na si Sherilyn Reyes at ang asawa nitong si Chris Chan. Hanggang sa mga oras na ito ay sinusubukan pa rin ng StarTalk TX na makausap si Angelo upang mahinga ng kumpirmasyon sa nakalap naming impormasyon.
Okay, puro kasalan tayo, no?
Oo nga,
Pero
no? Puro
bago
wedding.
yung Blushing Bride, nakasama natin
Blushing pa ba?
ngayong live sa set, ay syempre nakatutok pa din ang Star Talks sa ginaganap na press con ni Robin Padilla at saka ni Mariel. Abangan niyo po ang mga updates mamaya. Okay, dito
Bagong
lamang
kasal
po
din.
sa Star Talk. At ito na, congratulations, Angelo De Leon Rivera.
Yes.
Okay.
Oo, at
Thank
mukhang
you.
happy ka.
Thank you. Yes,
Para
I am.
Very happy.
sino tong Rivera na to, Angelo?
Si Wawi
Si
Rivera.
Wawi.
Si Wawi Rivera.
Actually, si Wawi.
Parang familiar.
Si Wawi.
Familiar. Oh, I'm sure nabalita niyo na siya dito.
Oo, familiar siya.
Yeah.
Oo. So, Angelo, can you
Matagal na ba
describe?
kayo magkakilala?
Matagal na ho. Actually, we've known each other for more than 4 years.
4 years na.
Yes, and
Ayun siya.
Oo, familiar na. oo.
Ayan siya.
So, background naman about
yung sa
Wawi.
wed.
About Wawi. Ano lang, we were friends, we were badminton friends, and then the relationship grew siguro mga 3 years ago, and then it made me realize when he was going to church already with me, kasi naging born again ako, and siya rin. So it was all the signs or prayers that were answered that made this wedding possible. Kasi it was really, kumbaga, if it wasn't God's will, I mean, this wouldn't be possible.
So, answered prayer, no?
Answered prayer
Oo.
for me and siguro syempre to all the friends and families I have. So I'm just really, really blessed because he made it possible.
So actually, Lolit Boots, si Wawi is may showbiz connection. Hanggang doon na lang. Anyway, Angelo, can you describe the wedding? Ano yung damit mo, ambience, yung guest,
Oh.
saan at kailan?
Ano ulam?
Ano ulam?
Ay, ang taray ng ulam ko, buffet. Sa Spirals. Hindi, it was very, very intimate. Family namin, and close friends na yung medyo talagang that put us a mark in our relationship. And we were all 30.
Christian wedding.
Christian wedding, 30 people. It was my head pastor, Bishop Chito Sanchez, who headed the ceremonies, and it was very, very intimate, and it was just 3 tables. So, medyo kinabahan lang ako. Meron akong actually picture. Kinabahan ako.
Wow.
Sabi ko, sa sobrang kaba ko, naging purple yung toast ko.
Pero ano,
Mukhang purple pa.
Oo, parang hanggang ngayon purple pa pag natitense
close
ako.
naman
ganun.
yung mga anak mo kay Wawi.
Oh, yes. Actually, when we had a talk, of course, I had to ask them if they were okay with it. And yeah, they said naman that we like him, he's cool, gumaganon pa sila. And
Binati ka naman ni Joko.
yeah, ewan ko, alam ba niya? Hindi.
Joko Diaz, nagpakasal na si
Nandito yung pamangkin niya kanina, hindi kayo nakita.
Oo,
Hindi
okay.
nakita. Ayun, actually sila Wawi, hi hubby, at saka si Nicole, Renzo, and Louis are watching now.
So,
Yeah.
hindi, yun na nga. So, pakilala mo sa amin si Wawi.
Si Wawi. Wawi's a very, very simple guy. He is from a good family, and he's very nice. He's very ano ba
Siyempre,
gusto niyo?
jowa
Sabihin mo na
no?
kasi.
Ano?
Siyempre, wala pang 24 hours. Siyempre, nice pa siya.
Hindi,
ko ba?
we've proven our relationship together kasi we've been through a lot. Actually, marami kaming pinagdaanan before it really came about to, okay, this is it. Parang ganon.
Sabihin ko ba? Dagdag ko, hindi na.
Pero okay bang babalik ka pa rin sa showbiz after this?
Dapat lang.
Oh yes, hindi naman po na ako
Hindi ka naman
Yes. Pero syempre,
Kasi mas maganda siya ngayon, ha?
Thank you. Pero syempre bilang
As I said, happy siya.
bilang may asawa na, syempre kailangan
Yung mga
magpaalam.
iba na yung priority.
Yes.
And diba, sa ako ang feeling ko talaga, given all the things you've been through, I think this is really the man for you. I think he's a good man.
Thank you,
Feeling ko
thank you.
talaga.
He really is.
Ah,
He really
thanks,
is.
At si
So-
Angelo, binabati si Salve Asis ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Salve
Happy
sa amin,
birthday!
Angelo.
Okay.
Angelo,
Don
matagal,
Fermino.
matagal niyo bang plinano to o biglaan?
No,
Kasi
this was-
4 years na kayo, di ba?
Yes, 4 years na kami. And I got engaged nung June 22 sa Bangkok when me and our friends
Sa Bangkok?
Sa bangko kayo
nag-engage kasi we had a trip with the friends. Tapos the wedding, sabi ko nga, it all was well planned in my head how it was going about. Kala namin madali lang. But buti na lang, I guess it was really God's will when nung Thursday, everything just went smoothly. The papers, everything. So parang talagang sabi namin, tuloy na.
Smooth
And really,
sailing,
God
no?
wants it to happen.
Kung may
Pero-
kintab yung wedding ring mo. oh.
Thank you.
Masama pa din ang loob ko sa'yo. Kasi ba't hindi mo ako in-invite? Akala ko pa naman close tayo. Hindi tuloy
Oo,
ako nakatikim
3
ng
tables.
buffet.
Puno na yung
bakit
3
mo nga
tables,
ba ginawang private?
Private kasi parang yung sa amin, our relationship talaga was really private. Even none of you knew I had a boyfriend.
Tell me about it. Hindi ko
Sikreto
nga
mo
alam eh.
talaga.
But because siguro for once, I think it was this was parang my gift to myself na I really wanted it to be treasured that much na kahit ngayon may marinig ako na hindi maganda or ganyan, tapos na. It's done.
Pero
It's
magpapakasal
over.
For a
daw kayo
lifetime,
sa
ano?
November sa Europe.
Sa
Sa
Europe.
Europe.
That was the original plan. That was
Ano
the
na lang mo kami
Ay, ano ko, sige. Friends na ulit tayo. Okay.
Wowie.
Okay na yung buffet dito.
Actually,
sa Europe na lang.
Yun yung ano namin kaya rin siya napabilis because we are going to Europe and we just wanted our relationship to be right in God's eyes.
Honeymoon na lang doon.
So yes, so naging honeymoon na lang siya and which is I think good kasi bilang born again Christians, meron kaming mga sinusunod
May
na
plano ba kayo magkaroon ng baby agad?
not anytime soon kasi as much as possible we wanna enjoy being more together and as husbands and wives.
Bakit si Sherin Reyes lang inimbita mo from GMA?
Oo.
kasi-
Siningle out mo.
Oo.
Kasi
Swerte naman niya.
kasi si Mars, si Shay talaga yung pag nag-break up kami, sila yung una namin tinatawagan, nagkaroon pa ng bull session minsan. So ganon yung relationship namin with sina Sherilyn and sina
Ba't
Chris.
ba naman kailangan mag-referee ni Sherilyn?
Ha?
Ba't kailangan mag-referee?
Kasi I guess one good thing about sina Sherilyn, they would always show us what husbands and wives really ought to be. And they've been very, very good parang role model for a husband and a wife. And I guess it comes naturally to someone who's going into a marriage to seek advice to those who are credible, di ba?
Tsaka voice of experience,
Yes.
di ba?
Ano ang
Has gone
pwede mo
through it.
sabihin ngayon sa mga hindi na imbitahan na naghanda pa naman ng regalo para sa
Oo, ako hindi ko
Pwede pa
Oo,
nila
we need to
tumanggap
yung
Ako
regalo.
yung doctor set, hindi ko nabibigay sa'yo. Tapos gagamitin ko na lang mamayang gabi.
Balak mo pa ng bigay, di ba?
Oo,
No,
diba?
ang sinasabi
Galing sa
nga
Oceanic.
namin, ang sinasabi
Ano pa ba
nga
nun?
namin, don't worry, because there's gonna be an after party and there's gonna be a bit more of a bigger wedding after this. Kumbaga nga, this is just because
Just wait.
we want to seal the deal, di ba?
Papagawa na ako ng barong, ah.
Pwede na.
Okay, so
Yeah.
hindi talaga,
Formal yan.
seriously talagang, I'm so happy for you. Alam mo
Thank
naman,
you.
Are so happy.
I
We
know.
are
Thank
also
you.
happy
Thank
for
you
you.
from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Kasi alam ko po maraming nagdasal and God is really good because He has given me a very, very good man and parang sobra God's gift talaga siya and our family now at least, di ba? And syempre sa nagpapaganda sa akin.
I agree.
Yan.
Dr. Vicky
Si
Bello.
Dr. Vicky Bello sa
Flawless.
multipolar ko. Thank you.
may
Syempre,
multipolar plus na.
yes, si Dr. Zagala,
Luis.
sa Bello Medical Clinic sa Tomas Morato, thank you so much. And for my dental care, si Dr. Steve Mark Gan, thank you. And Dr. Cherry Cruz, thank you so much. And si Rhoda for doing my makeup and hair and makeup today, thank
ganda.
you. And si Michelle Morelos, ang photographer ko and videographer.
Baka naman gusto,
Happy
baka naman gusto mo mag-thank you sa asawa mo.
Hindi. Siyempre,
Oo,
last na
message
ba
sa
to?
kanya.
Last na ba to?
Message sa kanya. I agree.
Minsan
I'm
lamata
quite
mo
to
lang.
Huawei and know him.
Yeah, to my husband. Woo! Kinikilig pa ako.
Honey dudes? Ano pangalan?
Yes,
Ano
Thank
tawag
you
mo?
for giving
To be-
ano.
to giving me this ring and that. Thank you for giving me a new life and a new chapter. And like what my mom said, she's very happy that she gained a son and not that she didn't lose a daughter. And I'm thankful to Renzo also because of the love he shows me. And I just want to say thank you and I love you.
She really looks happy.
Congratulations, Wowie. I know you're happy too.
Happy birthday kay Papa Joe Taruk ng DCRH. Happy birthday.
At mga Kim, congratulations again. At
Thank
sabi
you,
ko,
thank
balik
you,
ang
Jimmy.
tulad ng
Thank you,
sinabi
Startup.
namin kanina, babalikan namin ang panayam namin kay Robin Padilla and the new bride. Abangan po niya sa Star Talk.
Kung like mo ang makabuluhang